Did you know you can completely transform your Samsung Galaxy lock screen with just a few taps in One UI 9? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your lock screen clock style, customize its color, font, and layout. Lock your Samsung phone and long press it. Unlock your phone. Tap on the clock style. You can see default font style. Now customize clock font, color, and style. Whether you're using the Galaxy S26 series or another Samsung device running One UI 9, this step-by-step guide will help you customize your lock screen clock in just a few minutes. In the latest Samsung One UI 9, you can see new adaptive clock font added. If you'd like a complete walkthrough of this new adaptive clock font, we've already made a dedicated video. Check the link in the description or tap the I button to watch it. Tap on Font and Color. Select the clock font from the list. Adjust the font as thin or bold. To move slider, choose a font color from the bottom of the list. Tap Style. Choose a clock style. You can enable or disable weather information and date details on your One UI 9 lock screen clock style. Adaptive clock style is the best to automatically adjust its size, position, and layout based on your lock screen wallpaper and other elements, making the clock easier to read. It can change its appearance depending on the available space. Tap Done in the top right corner to apply it. Lock your Samsung phone and you can see new lock screen clock style. Do you prefer the classic clock or the new adaptive clock style? I'd love to hear your thoughts.